Lamingtons are an Australian icon. They were one of the first desserts I made when I was just a 6-year-old boy. Now I'm turning down the carbs and making a keto-friendly sponge cake and turning it into my favourite sweet snack without the sugar.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So into a stand mixer, we're going to make the keto sponge cake. Add in egg whites to the bowl and whisk until soft white peaks form. Then slowly add the sugar substitute. I'm using superfine stevia. And add the stevia in slowly, making sure you whisk well between each addition. You're almost after a glossy meringue texture, so it should be shiny and thick when it's done. Next, add in the egg yolks, again, one at a time, and mix well between additions. And then add in the melted butter along with the vanilla extract. Mix this for another minute and leave in the bowl. For the dry mix, into a bowl, add in the almond flour, and to that I add in psyllium husk powder, xanthan gum, and baking powder. Give it all a good mix around and then add it to the egg mix. After carefully mixing, the mixture will be thick and sticky. Add the mixture into a square cake tin lined with baking paper and flatten out using a wet spatula. Push it to all the sides, flatten and even out. Now place into a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Once baked, leave it to cool completely. For the chocolate coating, into a bowl, add in powdered stevia, cacao powder, hot water, and melted butter. Mix well until glossy and smooth. And once the cake is cooled, cut it into squares and then cover the sponge cake in the chocolate mix and then roll it in the desiccated coconut. Repeat this step with all the sponge cake squares. Now I love them the way they are. I'm a traditional Lamington eater, but you can cut these in half and eat them with cream if you wish. They make for a great morning snack with tea or coffee, or for the perfect low-carb sponge cake for you to fill with cream and keto fruits. Make sure you grab the recipe, which is in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon for another recipe.